Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made these DIY jumbo crochet braids, and I'm also going to make a video showing how I installed them, so please make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I post. I actually used 6 packs of this braiding hair I got from Amazon. It was really soft, I really liked it, and I'll leave the link down in the description box below. So you start by passing the hair over the line. I actually just used two push pins and some crocheted braids, some old crochet braids I had. And so when you do that, you divide the hair into 3 sections. Try to make them as even as possible. Then you start to braid really tight because you need to make sure it's really tight so it doesn't loosen up. You need to make sure it's really tight, and then you just keep braiding. Now I'm done braiding and I have about 12 braids, and now the next step is to trim. After trimming, I'm going to go in with my Aussie Headstrong Volume Mousse. Now I'm using hot water to seal the ends. I would advise you to be really careful or ask for help if you don't think you'll be able to use the water carefully. so you don't hurt yourself because the water is really hot. Now we're going to add some nice accessories because these braids are looking really plain and boring. And there you have it, guys. I'm really happy with how these braids turned out. Remember, I'm going to make a video showing how I installed these braids, so make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share, and also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I post the video.